back of Marks and Spencer's car park. So why are we here today? We are doing a little bit of a search, a seek and search, and this is Rosamond. Hi. And we're doing a seek and search, and we are going to find the lost tunnel. So we've just come through that little bit there. Again, car park. And for those that don't know me, I'm KARL-JAMES Langford, and we are gonna go along here. I've never been to this site before, but weirdly enough I've dreamt about it. And we need to go down a bank. So I don't think Barbara's going to get down here, do you?
Anyone with mobility difficulties, this would not be a walk for them.
No. Well, I don't think we're supposed to be even down here, but never mind.
Well, Barbara's quite light.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Now, there's this bank here that we've actually come down. So I'm not exactly sure if this is anything to do with the tunnel. But we go through. What do you think we should do? Just keep going through here. Now there's a stile there.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So we're going into a field, and we've already got lost. Do you know what I think we should do is just actually go back along there. See if there's another way through. So yeah, I think this is. Hang on a minute. Right. Okay. Through here. God, I'm going to regret this.
Glad I've got my Archaeology Cymru hoodie on.
Yeah, you know what, right, my legs are going to be stung to buggery, but what I do for the art, and there is a bit of a path here, shit, sorry about the bad language, I'm stinging my legs, so Rosamond, can you just poke this at me?
I shall do.
This is not the wisest thing to do.
Well,
no. Yeah.
We're both in our Sunday best, aren't we?
God. Yes, I tell you what, do you want to hold it a minute and do some talking while I just sort of...
So, we're making our way through the undergrowth, hopefully to find the entrance to an old tunnel. Yes. Despite having leggings on, I'm getting stung to bits by the nettles. However, nettles are supposedly good for arthritis.
So, certainly help me out. So, anyway, back along here. So we followed some kind of a weird path, and all roads seem to lead into the bushes. That way or that way?
I'd say left.
Oh, right, okay. God.
Oh, maybe not. That's a bit bramble-ridden, isn't it?
I don't think it's going to be bramble ribbon for far, right? But it's one good thing, it's not sort of blackthorn ridden. No, we do this, you know, when we plan to do these videos with this technology, right? This is what we were meant to be doing. What's this above me? What?
Okay, I've got it. Hang on.
Got it?
Hang on. Whoa. Eat. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll put that back a minute.
You know those boys that said it was somewhere over here, 5 minutes away?
Yeah.
I hope they weren't. Yeah, exactly. Oh, hang on. You caught in a bramble. How's this working? Got it? You're right. Dock leaves later on, I think. So, there you go. That's the one. I think next time we need some kind of a scythe. Yes, probably got them in my bag somewhere. So we got it. We're in a weird. This is a bit weird now. You're gonna come through. Okay, so if we do get to this tunnel, you might get to the end of this video and say that we didn't actually get to the tunnel. There's something there on the right. It's something there. So if we go around, I think. Right, Rosamond, you're the one that makes decisions. Do we go forward or do we go on top of that mound over there?
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
What's over there?
Well, you want to go over there? Or the mound?
I reckon the mound we can see then.
Okay then, that's it. So up on the mound. So obviously if we're following a ridge, it's going to eventually come down, isn't it?
Oh, that's a good thought.
Well, yeah. So that in fact could actually be the tunnel. So here we go. It sort of comes up here. And right, okay. There seems to be something raised. When they talk about tunnels, we got to remember our way back.
Okay.
So, and the one good thing about the filming is it doesn't pick up the road.
That's brilliant, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it is.
Oh, this is really. We are right by the M4.
No, the bypass.
Bypass too.
Yeah. You coming down? Do you think Barbara would have made it by now?
I think Barbara's more able than me.
Do you know, my legs are fine now.
Thanks.
With her bags. So as we...
For the less mobile members.
Do you know, there was a death in this tunnel recorded in the Barron District News. And date in my head, 4th of March, 1892. 3 years after the tunnel had opened.
Wow.
And interestingly enough, the tunnel closed on the 31st of March as well, in the year 1963, after an accident. Now,
March 1963.
yes, now this is a bit weird now because we've come to the end of whatever that pillow thing is that we've been walking on, and it's looking a bit strange at this minute, and there's a massive drop in front of us, and